Here's how to remove sticky shower self-adhesive without damaging the wall. I already took down 3 or 4 of these with this method, and I saw a lot of videos out there requiring a blow dryer, but I didn't need one. All I needed was a plastic putty knife. There's 2 tactics to do this quickly. The first tactic is to take the corner of the putty knife and try to get it in there at the corner of the shower adhesive. You see how it's already starting to come off? As you're pushing down at like a 45-degree angle, you also want to lift it a little bit, up until you get to like 1/3 of the way, so here. Now let me show you the other method before we move on. Sometimes you've already ripped it from the wall and there's sticky adhesive left. That happened to me. That's where I found the second method. So you're gonna hold it like a flashlight and go at a 45-degree angle and pretend you're sawing it. As you're doing that, it creates heat that ends up lifting the glue, like this. See? So you can alternate between the sawing method and the corner method. All right, and so once you're 1/3 of the way through and you have like a good grip on it, you want to grab as close as you can to the wall and pull out. Subscribe if that was helpful.